Hello viewers, welcome back to a new video. Today we gonna see how to lock any app on your iPhone. As we all know, iPhone provide app-based lock option only for a few apps. There is no default way in which you can lock like cameras, photos, etc. This video will help you to lock any app on your iPhone in a very easy way. Let's get started. To set up the app lock, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to set up the timer settings. So, to do that, go to search bar and type timer. So, we are going to change a setting with this app. Let's open it. Now here, tap on this option and you will get this pop-up. Now scroll down and choose stop playing option here and tap set. So we are successfully done with the first step. Next, let's go to the second step, which is to set up the automation in the shortcuts app. This app helps you to lock any app you want. So let's open shortcut app. Now go to this tab and click create personal automation. Now scroll down and here you can see that there is an option called app. Let's open this. Here click choose and choose that you want to lock. Since I want to lock the camera app, and then tap done. So once you choose the app, click next and you will get this pop-up. Now tap on this add button. Now here search for timer. Now here you can see that you have an option called start timer. Now tap on that option and it will take you to this window. Here we need to set up the time to 1 second. So tap over here and change it to 1 second. Click next and make sure you turn off these options and click don't ask. Once you complete this step, done. Here you can see that we are successfully created the automation. So we have completed the second and final step, which is to set up the automation. This means we have successfully locked our camera app. To verify that, let's go to home screen and open the camera app. When we open the app after a second, our phone gets locked. This means a person who doesn't have the Face ID or Touch ID access cannot access the app you locked. If you have to access to Touch ID or Face ID, you can just unlock the phone. We have successfully locked the camera app. Similarly, you can lock any app of your choice with the same steps. So this was today's video. If you like the video, please do like, comment, share and also subscribe the channel.